Doesn't seem to be. I want to get a video up around there so I can watch it and see if they're
Not near as many outside as there were earlier.
yeah. I'm gonna try to find out if they're bypassing that trap or not.
I don't think they are. But there's a bunch up in that house.
Yeah, I've been watching, trying to see if they're coming in and out.
I know I seen
Oh
some.
look, they're coming out of the trap. They were coming out of the trap.
Where?
Out of the trap, out of the funnel.
Yeah.
They're coming out. A little bit at a time. Oh, they got a different way in.
They got a different way.
Well, no. See the very bottom of the funnel?
Yeah.
Where the cardboard has a little gap between it?
Yeah.
It looks like they might be going in there. Possibly right here, down low.
There's no way to fix it now.
Well,
They eat you alive.
you know, after watching all this stuff, they're not near as aggressive as what you would think.
No, they only get aggressive if you threaten them.
Yeah.
And they're just North American honeybees. They're not
Yeah.
African bees.
Right. I was kind of wanting to see if they're trying to get started into the new hive.
You can't film inside there, it's too dark.
Yeah.